Why you should buy Walt Disney stock. The Walt Disney Company. The Walt Disney Company is yet another household name on the list. Even if you've never been to Disney World or Disneyland, you likely grew up watching Mickey Mouse or another Disney character bouncing around on your television screen. Moreover, if you're like most millennials who've cut the cable cord and chosen to stream entertainment, you've at least heard about Disney Plus, if you're not already one of its growing number of subscribers. When it comes to investing in the company, there are two big reasons you may want to consider diving in. COVID-19 recovery. Disney felt quite a bit of pain as a result of COVID-19. Without consumers wanting to travel, its theme parks, hotels, and cruise lines have been struggling. The company's theme parks and travel attractions are open. Around the world, however, consumers dream about going to Walt Disney theme parks, and considering the state of the COVID-19 crisis, demand is likely to boom ahead, leading to a significant rebound. Streaming entertainment. One of the major drivers in Disney's recent stock growth has to do with its activities in the streaming entertainment space, which it has knocked out of the park. Launched in November 2019, Disney Plus had more than 118 million subscribers as of November 2021, up from 86.8 million in December 2020 and 60.5 million in early August 2020. Between a likely recovery in Disney's travel-related business and incredible growth in the company's streaming entertainment business, the company is firing on all cylinders. Although it's never a good idea to blindly follow analyst opinions, it is helpful to use their opinions as a source of validation for your own. When it comes to the Walt Disney Company, analysts seem to love the stock. 22 analysts currently cover it, with 15 rating it a buy and 7 rating it a hold with an average price target of $195.35 per share, representing the potential for more than 40% growth over the next year. All in all, Disney has struggled from time to time, but you can never count the stock out. The company has a history of pivoting and making changes that are best for its growth and its investors. That's not likely to change. Now, with recent headwinds leading to declines, the Walt Disney Company has plenty of potential for dramatic growth ahead.